Welcome to Water Care Wednesday. In today's episode, we're going to go over the freshwater salt system. This is exclusive to Hot Springs and Caldera Spas. It's their brand new system. We're pretty excited about it. Let me show you what it's included in. First thing we have is the freshwater salt system salt. It is a salt system, does require some salt in order to run properly. The amount of salt you add is indicated in the owner's manual. You'll have some information packets that will indicate on how the system works. The freshwater salt system cartridge. You'll have 2 test strips. One will be test strips for your everyday needs, more traditional style. The other one is specific to this system. The freshwater salt system module. This will be installed by the authorized tech. And then finally, the vanishing act. This will be placed in the water to remove all metals and calcium. Let me show you how simple this is. The first thing you're going to do is locate this cap on the bar top of your Hot Springs or Caldera Spas. You'll give it a quarter turn and this will pop right off. You're going to remove this placeholder cartridge and simply insert the new one. So that's it for today's episode of Water Care Wednesday. For more information, follow us online, check out the links below, and stay tuned for more great information.